In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then select All Services, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my switcher and all of those features are gray. That means that Autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by hitting the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!